Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of them government documents, baby. All right, May 22nd, Supreme Court decision, Trump v. Wilcox. This is an important one, like legit. So let's focus up here. Let's focus in. This case is about whether the president can remove certain government officials from their jobs without a good reason. These officials work for what are considered, quote, independent federal agencies. The National Labor Relations Board, dealing with workplace disputes, and the Merit Systems Protection Board, which handles federal employment issues. Both agencies have been structured so that their members can only be removed for specific reasons like misconduct or serious problems doing their jobs. And this was set up this way by Congress in an attempt for these boards to operate independently. The president removed one member from each of these boards without giving any reason. And the lower courts stopped these removals, saying they violated the laws that members can't be removed without cause. That decision was appealed to the Supreme Court, who was tasked with pausing the lower court's order so the president's removals could take effect right away while the case was still being heard. And the Supreme Court sided with the president on this one. They said that since these agencies exercise a lot of executive power, the president may be allowed to remove their members at will as the head of the executive branch. The lower court's decision has been paused while more arguments and information are heard. Basically, they said it would be less harmful for these officials to temporarily lose their jobs than it would be for the president to be forced to keep them around if he thinks they shouldn't be there. Key note is that this ruling does not affect the Federal Reserve, which has a special historical structure. Surprise, surprise. Justice Kagan wrote a dissent mainly highlighting a precedent case called Humphrey's Executor that has been used for almost 90 years to say that Congress can create independent agencies and that their members can't be fired without a good reason. So, by pausing the lower court's decision, this Supreme Court is kind of hinting at the fact that they may be planning on weakening or overturning that precedent in the future. And overturning long-held precedents is a major event that we should keep our eye on, so we will go ahead and do that. So just get ready, baby. All right, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you in a little while.